Stay with me.
Hello guys, it's me Ninja and welcome to my new video. So hope you guys can enjoy the video. So if you do, hit the like button and comment whatever you like. So with that, let's start today's video with the first anime on our list, The Asterix War. So in this anime story, something mysterious happened. After that, lot of people started to born with incredible powers. And to train those people, they created some special school. So our main character in this anime, he is one of those special people. Starting in this anime, he gonna start attending one of those school. So now in the school, he have to train himself and participate in a competition against other students. As for our main character, he doesn't really have much of an interest in these competitions. So his sister used to participate in this competition, but she gone missing. That's why our main character is here to find his sister. So as for this anime, the story is decent, but as for me, I really like the action. So the next anime I am gonna talk about is Gamers. So in this anime story, our hero, he is just a normal student who likes to play games. So his school life was going kinda normally until he meets our heroine. So our heroine in this anime, she is the most beautiful and the perfect girl in her school. In a way, she is the school idol. So one day, she came face to face with our main character, and with that, everyone was super surprised, especially our main character. So the most beautiful girl in the school standing in front of him, most of the guys in the school have crush toward her, and lot of girls are jealous of her. So our hero is really confused what gonna happen. A really unexpected thing happened. So she found out that our main character likes to play game. So that's why she wants our main character to join their gaming club. As for our main character, he doesn't really want to. He wants to play game alone. So now, what gonna happen between them? Between an average guy and a really good looking girl? For to know that, you have to watch the anime. Things gonna happen, sometime comedic, sometime romantic. Yeah, it's really good. Definitely worth watching. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Gangsta. In this anime story, two of our main characters doing some small jobs for big folks. Obviously, those big guys are gangsters in this anime, and our main characters doing some dirty jobs for them. So this one, it's a really good anime in my opinion, but saying something about this anime would gonna spoil the anime. In this anime, our main characters have a history. They used to do something separately, but they meet each other and started doing this bad business. After in the story, some really powerful group started hunting big gangsters in this anime, and our main characters are trying to stop them somehow. So as I say, it's a pretty good one, but the story is kinda incomplete, but still a good one. Try it out. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Gate. In this anime story, a gate opened to Japan that connected Japan to a different world. So from that world, many warriors came and killed lot of people in Japan. That's why Japan also sent their army to investigate in this new world. And our main character in this anime, he is an army general. So most of the time, he is just a lazy, ordinary guy. But whenever someone needs our main character's help, he shows extraordinary talent. So this new world, it's not really that developed. They are still ruled by kings. So now our main character and his soldiers gonna try to befriend local people. So princess and her friends gonna get into some problem in this anime, and our main character with his intelligence gonna try to solve them. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Genshiken. In this anime story, our main character is a college freshman and he was looking for a club to join. But he didn't really manage to found a club that suits him until he found a club named Genshiken. In this club, all of the members are hardcore otakus. So at first, our main character didn't really manage to believe that he is a hardcore otaku as well. But after that, becoming a friend with one other club member, little by little, our hero started to grow fond of this club. So now, in this club, what's gonna happen? To find out, you have to watch the anime. So that's all of the animes I'm gonna talk about in this video. But the video itself, it's not over yet. So there are quite a few animes in this list I'm not gonna commentary on. So you can enjoy the anime with some good old music. So that's all of the animes I'm gonna showcase in this video. Hope you guys found something good to watch and see you in the next one.